You asked for in-person flood adjuster training in your area. Top-end adjuster training responded. The 3-day NFIP Flood Bootcamp is coming to select cities across the country. Flood claims are different. If you want to earn more working flood claims, you need more than general adjusting knowledge. National Flood Insurance Program requires you to have specialized knowledge in processing flood claims. You need practical flood claim skills built around the processes, documentation, and requirements of the National Flood Insurance Program. This live, in-person training is designed to help adjusters through the steps of working flood claims, improve field readiness, understand claim handling, and perform with greater confidence when flood claims get real. You will not just sit through theory. You will train around practical flood claim issues adjusters face in the field. Reserve your seat and attend with confidence. This training is backed by our money-back guarantee. Top-end adjuster training, home of the NFIP Flood Bootcamp.